pretty high. You ready? Whoa! Holy heck! Yep, still on. Let's give it a test. Jace, you got a copy?
Yeah, mate. How you doing down there?
Folks, this right here is the brand new XTRAK Pro 50 handheld UHF radio from Uniden. Now look, this has been designed and engineered in Japan to Australia's rugged conditions. And the boffins at Uniden tell me it can handle pretty much anything that I can throw at it. I've chucked this bad boy in the river, just dropped it from a drone at about 30 metres, it hit that rock over there, bounced up, nearly hit me in the head, and she still works. All I gotta do is dust this off and put it back in my kit. Folks, if you want to get your hands on a brand new XTRAK Pro from Uniden, head to their website, and I really suggest you do. uniden.com.au